Soundbars are taking over the market right now, and finding portable ones is getting much easier. With many on the market varying from ridiculously high prices, it's about time we come across an affordable yet high quality option. This is the Stage Air Creative Multimedia Soundbar, and it's extremely compact and small, but coming in at under £40, it makes it an extremely great option to improve your sound system. This soundbar is extremely compact at only 410mm by 78. Now that makes it fantastic for an under monitor soundbar. Surprisingly, it does come with limitations because they do not provide you with a remote control, meaning you have to use the buttons on the side. Now looking around this guy, it's got a premium and sleek look to it with that plastic mesh front and that overall glossy look. Now on the back you get USB, auxiliary and a 5V DV plug for the power. Now at 5 volts, that can be run straight from your computer's onboard USB port. Now for me, Creative have overlooked one aspect, and on the back they do not provide a bracket for you able to mount it on the wall, so you're going to have to stick it underneath the monitor. But then again, this is intended to be a portable speaker, so I guess it's just me being picky. Nevertheless, this has 6 hours of continuous playtime on a full charge. With connectivity options like Bluetooth and USB media playback, you can definitely make this a portable boombox. I was optimistic about the quality of the delivered audio from this guy, but I couldn't be any more pleased. It's surprisingly rich and powerful, and basses and booms are delivered with surprisingly great accuracy. And there was no hideous speaker rattle that you get from the likes of some of the cheaper ones you get on the market. And that's probably due to it actually housing an oversized passive radiator. Now to some that means nothing, but that produces great bass without the need for a subwoofer. If you have a PC or laptop and it's your main point of maybe playing games or watching movies, or you're looking for something to pair via Bluetooth or run your songs via the USB port and just have a portable boombox with sufficient amount of power at 6 hours, then this is an extremely great option. Most speakers on your laptop or your PC monitors are absolutely terrible and you don't really notice it, but having these up against each other, you can really hear the difference. Take a look at the link in the description, let me know what you think, and for under £40 it's certainly a great option. Till next time.